Hi everyone, Aj hum bot karne whale hain EKA's vehicle ke bare mine jo public transport ka future bottle wala hi 2026 BusVerse. Nam say hi futuristic lag raha hi na. Lekin ism surf nam hi nahi, features b ways hi. BusVerse 2026 EK next generation luxury and smart city bus hi jo electric powertrain ke sath aati hi our design, comfort, our technology ka zabardast combination hi. Sabs pela bot kart hain ista design key. 2026 BusVerse ka exterior design ekdam aerodynamic our stylish high. Front say dekna par 𝑠𝑒𝑙𝑓-𝑑𝑟𝑖𝑣𝑖𝑛𝑔 our full length panoramic windshield ek modern our premium look deet hain. Side profile be sleek high. Jism large glass panels d gay hain jis passengers ko ek panoramic view milta high softer k doron. Rear section mine LED tail lights our futuristic design cues dekna ko milt hain jo is ek next level bus benete hain. A flat chalt hain interior key tariff. BusVerse ka cabin ekdam luxury coach jza feel deta high. Premium leather reclining seats, ambient lighting, individual infotainment screens, USB charging ports, our AI-based voice assistant G's opni seat say hi operate car sakti ho. Air purification system our climate control k soth ism noise insulation be top notch high. Jis andar ka environment ekdam peaceful reda high, chahe bahar traffic hoya highway speed. Technology key bot karain to BusVerse mine AI-based route optimization system dia gaya hi jo real-time traffic our passenger demand k hisab say route suggest karta high. Ism GPS tracking, facial recognition entry system, and smart ticketing be included high. Bus operators k liye remote diagnostics our fleet management system be available high jis maintenance our scheduling coffee asan ho jada high. Powertrain key tariff chalt hain. Ye bus full electric high, jism 400 kWh ka lithium ion battery pack dia gaya high jo ek bar charge karne par lagbog 500 km key range offer karta high. Ism fast charging ka support high jis ye bus surf 90 minutes mine 80% talk charge ho jadi high. Regenerative braking system be dia gaya high jis battery efficiency our improve hodi high. Safety features be impressive hain. BusVerse mine udash advanced driver assistance systems j's lane keeping assist, collision warning, 360-degree camera, pedestrian alert system, our auto emergency braking j's features shamil hain. Driver k liye digital instrument cluster our heads up display be dia gaya high. Sabs ka spot ye high key BusVerse ka focus surf passengers par nahi, balki sustainability par be high. Recyclable materials ka use, zero emission powertrain, our smart energy management is ek environmentally responsible transport solution benete hain. Price segment key bot karain to ye bus premium segment mine ati high, our ye mainly metro cities, luxury travel companies, our smart city transit systems k liye target key gay high. Iski expected price 1.2 crore rupees kaas ho sakti high, lekin features k hisab say ye ek value for money futuristic investment high. To Dostan, 2026 BusVerse surf ek bus nahi, balki ek moving lounge hi jo smart future ka hissa high. Agar apko ye video pasand a ho to like, share our subscribe karna na bulan. Milt hain next video mine ek nay futuristic vehicle k soft.